In this video, you'll see how to upgrade from Cloud Endure Disaster Recovery, or CDR, to AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery, or AWS DRS. Using downloadable tools, you can determine server upgrade eligibility, upgrade each machine to DRS in 2 steps, and keep CDR protection until the upgrade is finalized. AWS DRS is the next generation of CDR and is the recommended service to use for disaster recovery to AWS. The CDR to DRS Upgrade Assessment Tool and the Server Upgrade Tool fully automate the upgrade process and ensure full protection from end to end. Certain prerequisites must be met prior to upgrading from CDR to DRS. For demonstration purposes, we have already taken care of these. You can learn more about the prerequisites in the description and links for this video. We'll begin in the Cloud Endure console, where we have a source server to upgrade. Let's take a look. Here is the machine's blueprint. Upgrade eligibility is determined based upon AWS support for the machine's target AWS region, replication settings, blueprint settings, and operating system. Let's collect some information about this project that we'll need in order to run the tools. We'll note the project's API token, as well as the project ID in its URL. Now let's run a command to download the assessment tool. The tools can be run in either Windows or Linux. We'll be using Linux. The assessment tool can be run from any machine that has access to the internet, and it needs to be run once per project. Here, we'll apply permissions so that we can execute the file. We'll specify the API token and project ID we noted. Now the tool will go through some validations and provide us with the assessment results. Any findings are saved to an output folder in the directory where the tool was installed. A CSV file lists the warnings and errors and provides instructions for how to mitigate them. You can learn more about these findings in the links for this video. In this case, there were no findings. Now that we've confirmed eligibility, we'll download the Server Upgrade tool. We'll apply permissions as before. Phase 1 is to start the upgrade. To run the Start Upgrade command, we'll need the API token and project ID again, plus the AWS Access Key ID and AWS Secret Access Key for the IAM user with permissions for the Server Upgrade tool. This command installs the DRS agent in a dormant state so it doesn't replicate. We're passing additional options that activate copying of replication and blueprint settings, and of a snapshot to be used for a drill on DRS. The tool will identify all the volumes on the servers and then download and install the new AWS replication agent. Next, it will import the snapshot from CDR into DRS for testing purposes. The installation was successful. Let's find the server in DRS. We can initiate a drill instance to see if the launch template settings are correct. While the recovery job is creating the drill instance, let's check the Cloud Endure console. Notice that we still have continuous data protection in CDR. Let's move on to Phase 2, in which we finalize the upgrade to DRS. In the Finalize Upgrade phase, the AWS replication agent that was installed on the server in the previous phase is activated, and a seed snapshot is imported from CDR for replication to allow the new source server to perform a rescan, which shortens the time it takes the server to reach protected status in DRS. When the upgrade is complete, the tool uninstalls the CDR agent. In the Cloud Endure console, we now see that the server is replicating with DRS rather than CDR. During the upgrade, we can still launch target machines in CDR from retained snapshots, but all new snapshots will be taken in DRS. Let's check the DRS console. The rescan is complete, and the machine has reached the Ready for Recovery status. The source server is now fully protected in DRS. CDR machines should be removed when there are no more needed snapshots for that machine on CDR. Projects without machines should also be deleted. You've just seen how to upgrade from CDR to DRS. You can learn more about this topic in the description and links for this video. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to try.